So, when sometimes you want to go to a website, you see www at the beginning, that just stands for World Wide Web, but really it's just a part of the website name, like a nickname for the internet. Now, some websites use www, but some don't, and it's totally up to them. There is no rule that says the website has to use www. Now, if you're using Hostinger Website Builder, you can decide if you want the www. I assume you use Hostinger, that's why you click on this video. To show up, you can, show this www to show up in your website address if you want to show. So you just gonna have to go to your website first. Now let's go to websites here. Now from here, I'll select this website, edit website. And now what I'm gonna have to do here is just to click on the three dots here, more settings. And then from here, there's here, so here you're gonna see general settings. Please click on general settings. And then here you're gonna see use www prefix. Adds www to the beginning of your domain. So I'll just enable this. And save, update, but usually we should just update automatically if you just enable this. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching and take care.